Thank you, Amazon Prime. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I got some really exciting news to share with you guys. So a while back, I bought some Valenti taillights, but when I got them, they are damaged. So that really sucks. They got some really deep scratches on them. But I contacted Rally Sports Direct on the issue, and they're offering me a full refund on the taillights, and they're letting me keep the old ones. So that means that we're gonna try to restore them. Now, I've never actually done a project like this. The scratches on the taillights are pretty dang deep, but I'm gonna give it a go, and hopefully it's gonna turn out good. Here, take a quick look at the taillights right now. You can see there's like scratch marks all over it. Some of the worst ones are right here. It's like divots in, and there's like a deeper scratch right here. And then all along right here, you can see it's all scuffed up. So I actually ordered this package last night, and they delivered it this morning. Amazon is just freaking on point. They're killing their game right now. I bought this 3M kit. Hopefully it's gonna fix it. This 3M kit is a little bit different from the others. I looked at the Meguiars and like the Turtle Wax, and a lot of them you have to do it by hand. And I didn't want to spend hours trying to sand out the scratches by hand. Let me open it up for you guys. As you see, this one comes with like a drill attachment, and there's these different pads that you can put on. So hopefully this will speed up the process. See, the reason I got this one is mainly because of this. I can put a pad on there and just go zzz on my drill and make it a lot easier on my hands. This thing is pretty cool. It's like a quick release. Alright, so I got the GoPro on my head, so hopefully I could document it for you guys in a better view. I'm not sure which one I should start with first. This one's not as scratched up, and these scratches are a lot more deep. Maybe I should start with this one. I'm gonna start with this one. So this one has a lot of deep scratches in it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to fix it, but hopefully this kit's gonna help me out. So these pads seem a lot more rough, so I'm gonna start with these first. I think these are 500 grit. I'm not really sure. It says P500. Let's put it on the pad. Okay, let's get at it. Hopefully I don't fuck this up. Oh shit. I just put a drill to some Valenti taillights. I don't know if this is good or not, but fuck it, full send. Let me get some safety glasses. Oh, I have these badass ones. Sick. I just found one of my old work safety glasses. These are badass. They make me look like a pilot. There you go, nice and safe. I can still feel the scratches. They're pretty dang deep. I'm gonna keep sanding away and see how it goes. I feel so bad doing these two brand new taillights. The marks are starting to become less and less noticeable. I'm really excited. This is actually working. Look at this. So this is where the main spot was. And as you can see, we still have some light scuff marks right here and here and here. And even right here. But I think if I keep sanding away, it's gonna go away. I'm really excited. I think this is gonna work, and it's gonna save me hundreds of dollars. This is awesome. Adding on to my costume, Ninja Edison. So I've been sanding for about 2 hours trying to get the scratches out, and I finally got all of the scratches out. I'm really excited to show you guys. This is freaking amazing. Oh man, let me just show you guys, okay? Let me just show you guys. Take a look at this, guys. I got all the deep scratches out, and that's just my first pass. I haven't even used the finer grit sandpaper yet. The main issue was right here before, and as you can see, that's all gone now. This kit is freaking amazing. I can't recommend this enough. So I'm just about ready to use the finer sandpaper. I'm gonna put this on, and then I'm gonna sand it even more and show you guys the result. Hopefully I'm doing it even enough. I'm trying my best. But with this drill, when you're moving around and it's spinning, it's really hard to control. So I've been bracing it on my body. So hopefully I'm getting a more even finish. I'm really close to finishing this taillight. I'm on one of the final steps. And on the final step, I'm using this 3000 grit sandpaper. I think it's 3000 grit, but it's telling me to spray some water. So it looks like I'm gonna be wet sanding with the drill on this one. Which side do I stick it on? I'm gonna keep wet sanding it to make it look a little more even, and I think the results speak for themselves. It looks really good already. Here's a little close-up for you guys. It's still a little bit hazy, and that's just because I haven't put that final clear coat on. This is day 2, and I'm almost finished with the left tail light, but before I can put the clear coat on, I gotta work on the right side. So the right side doesn't have as much deep scratches. It's actually more of the surface, and I'm positive I could get it out. Let me show you guys what it looks like before. Here's the other tail light that I need to finish up before I put the clear on this one. This one's almost done. But this one, yeah, as you can see, has some scuff marks right here. I don't think the camera's picking it up, but I could definitely feel it with my nail. And there's some light scuffing right here too. If I shine my light over it, you can see there's scratch marks all over here. So I'm gonna give that taillight a go. I'm pretty confident I'm gonna be able to do it just because I did the other one and the other one was much worse. But I'm not gonna make you guys watch it again. So let me just speed up the process for you guys. I've used some of this stuff before and it removed the cloudiness of it and it kind of takes out those fine scratches, so that's why I'm doing this extra step. I just finished using the Meguiar's X and look at the difference. As you can see, it looks super glossy and smooth. Before it was a little bit cloudy and it had those really fine micro scratches, but now it looks beautiful. I haven't even put on the clear coat yet. Alright, it's time to put on the clear coat. I'm a little bit nervous on doing this just because there's dust flying everywhere from me sanding it. But this is just my garage and not like a professional spray booth, so I can't really do anything about it. But I'm gonna try my best, put on the clear, and then show you guys afterwards. Let me just show you guys what it looks like before the clear coat. As you can see, you got those beautiful LEDs. It already looks super glossy and nice. I'm pretty excited to put these on my car, but that's probably gonna be on the next video. After 3 days of hard work, I finally finished the taillights. I'm really excited to show you guys. Take a look at this. As you can see, it looks glossy smooth and I got all the deep scratches out. The taillight's just looking freaking beautiful. I'm really excited to share this experience with you guys. I had a lot of fun doing it. Unfortunately, this video is a little too long, so I'm gonna install these taillights on the next video, so tune in for that. Remember guys, everything seems impossible until you do it. I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.